Hi, hello, hello, hello. Tingnan natin kung lag. Lag ba? Parang hindi naman sa phone ko. Parang okay naman siya. Hi, welcome back. Paki-check kung lag. Hala, lag nga ako. Parang lag talaga guys, hindi niya kaya. Iyak na. Hindi lag nga. Hindi ba center? Konti lang. Malakad-lakad siya ah. Yung cam ko lag. Mas okay na kasi. Ah, hindi ko kaya yung okay lang. Charot. Lag eh, no, wala. I give up. Guys, magbe-Beyond Two Souls muna ako. Nakakaiyak naman. We, okay na ba? Okay, lakad-lakad muna. Wait na, papanorin ko. Hello. A, B, C, D. Lag, yung kamay ko eh. Tatanggalin ko yung camera ko. Bye guys. Gusto ko maglaro. Bahala na yung camera. Bye. We, okay na to. Ah, oo, off cam ka na. Mas gusto ko maglaro. Paano yung off cam? Di kaya, ay, oo nga, no, nung nakaraan may update eh. Wala naman. Wait lang, bubuksan ko muna yung Nvidia ko. Pwede ba yun? I-share screen sa TikTok. Windows 11. Oo nga eh, no? Pero wala naman sa akin ngayon. Ay, itong Nvidia ko may update. Hayop. Kaya siguro. Hindi kaya. Oh, downloading updates. What the heck? May update siya, guys. Naka-Nvidia kasi ako eh. Oo, baka ito nga. Try. Feeling ko nga. Kasi sabi naman ni ChatGPT, kaya ko naman daw. Kaya naman daw ng laptop ko. Ayun. Wait lang. Gusto niyo ba magpatugtog muna ako? Hmm. Ano gusto niyong kanta? Hmm, diba? Kaya hindi ko nga alam. Parang ano pa naman siya. Like, Pwede pa siya makipagsabayan sa iba. Eh, hindi ko gets. Oo, ako din. Siguro ano kasi, naka 30-50 lang kasi ako. Ang ngayon kasi, 30, dapat, ngayon kasi sa laptop parang 40 plus na eh. Hi, Ada! Hello, Queen. Mataas pa ba yung 30-50? Kasi sabi nila medyo ano na daw siya, like, outdated. Yung 30-50. Pero TI naman ako. Wala. Ano ka, PC ka naman, center. Ako, laptop lang. Dalawa nga yung GPU nito eh, itong laptop. AMD and NVIDIA. RTX pala, RTX. Ano na nga yung kayang games niyan? Sorry guys, it's chit-chat time because I'm still figuring things out. Ano pa lang siya, like, 2021. 2 years pa lang. Pero kasi yung, ano niya, yung laptop, yung model na ito, 2021 model lang siya. Kaya siguro ganun. Asus TUF, yeah, Asus TUF A15. Meron, sa cooling system, meron akong cooling pad na 4 fans sa baba niya. Oo, yun kasi yung pangit sa laptop. Hindi na ma-change yung RAM. Init. Oh, mainit nga talaga siya kahit ang dami na niyang fan. Dadagdagan ko na nga ng ano, alam niyo yung handheld fan lang sa taas. No? Dagdagan ko nga. Baka kailangan ko rin ng mas madaming fan. Ilan ba fan neto? Alam ko 4 to eh. Sa ilalim. Okay na to, Cheyong. Napakainit niya guys talaga. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Super low na ng graphics. Wait lang, papakita ko yung graphics. Pinakausap ko na nga, ang partner ko na nga si ChatGPT. Kasi di ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko dito. Gusto ko pa naman ito laruin talaga. Then mo, low na. Ito kasi yun eh, yung VRAM ko. Yung overkill. Ay, yung overused. Wala na siya, hindi na siya nasa wall. Hindi siya sa wall. Naka-open siya. Tapos naka-elevate din. Lagyan mo yel. Mag-free. Grabe ah. Si Center, bata ka pa. Pero alam mo yung mga free, yung mga ganun. Mga kaedaran ko yun. Uy, nakabukas yung case. Makakapag-PC na nga lang. What if mag-ano ko? Um, Ay, eto na, medyo hindi na siya mainit. Ano yung sasabi ko? What if mag-computer shop ako? Doon ako mag-stream, no? May nakita ko one time, nag-i-stream siya sa computer shop. Nakaloka. Naka-camera pa yun. Ayan mo, super low na siya lahat. Like, everything's low. The lowest of low. Wala ako sa Japan ngayon. umuwi na ako ng Philippines. Diba? High-end na kasi specs kaso napakaingay. Ay, mas mataas yung Detroit. Tangina, kailangan ko magnakaw. Charot. Hindi pala. Magtrabaho pala. Oo, pag nagta-travel. Siguro naman this year hindi ako makapag-travel masyado. Naka-on po. Yeah, naka-on naman yung DLSS. Wait, nandito yun eh. Display yun siya. Ayan no, video device ko. Siyempre yung ginamit ko yung RTX. Grabe, point blank. Alam mo, ano na ako niyan. Like, bihasa. Point blank yung nilalaro ko dati din. Uy, wag kayo. Magnanakaw. Ba't walang cam? Kasi lag. Gusto ko maglaro. Walang cam. Kasi lag. Yan. Tapos ito, kailangan kasi yung full screen eh. Wala siyang full screen sa akin. What if 1280? No? I'll make it 1280. Yeah. Oh, nag-update ako ng Nvidia. Uy, yung Crossfire, that was my first FPS dati. Yan, Crossfire, and then naging ano yan, SF, and then Point Blank. 1280 ko ah. Ito kasi sabi ni ChatGPT, yung frame rate daw ay 60. What if gawin kong 30? Ayan, tapos naka-DLSS na ako. This performance. Waterboy. Ano yun? Uy, Cass. Hi! Long time no see. Yes, Last of Us na, pero super lag. Lag of Us na siya. Alam mo, lagi ko itong pinapatay kasi lagi akong hilo sa motion blur. Sige nga, try natin. Yung sa Y8. Yan. Oh, medyo, bumawas yung 1%. Uy, okay lang yan, Cass. Ginagawa ko na lahat. Try. Ayan, guys. Sasa na si El? Naku, Diyos ko na bird na tong batang to. Kanina pa daw naghihintay. Oh, gagalit na siya. Oh. Ay, parang hindi na lag, guys. Uy, parang mas okay. Ako lang ba? Uy, hindi siya lag. Yay! Makakapag-stream na. Makapaglaro na ako. Bahala kayo. Yay! Wait lang. Ano mo, nilagyan ko ng electric fan yung tapat ng keyboard ng laptop. Galing. Uy, almost 1K na ako. Yay! Thank you guys. Gusto ko nang mag 1K para makapag-OBS na ako. Mas smooth daw dun eh. By the way, Cass, ito si El. Press tab while aiming. Has to go? Oh. Siya. Oh. Okay. Wala. Kala mo si Clem layo.
Is it?
Oo nga, feeling ko sa update ng Nvidia yun. Kasi yung graphics, yung GPU ko Nvidia eh. I think Nvidia nga. Wag mo na, mga face ko mo, okay na yan. Gusto ko maglaro.
What are you doing?
Killing time.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
Thank you, El.
I am sure you will figure that out.
This isn't... Ayun yung branding ko. Yung nag-stutter.
Your watch is
Pangit
broken.
yung branding.
You mumble on your sleep. I hate bad dreams.
Daw, o kakas. Alam mo lang agad doon.
Yeah, me too.
Ayaw yung watch. Pinigay nga. Bakit? 5,600 G.
I've never been this close.
Lagyan mo na kasi ng
See
GPU.
outside? Look how dark it is. Can't be any worse out there,
I almost forgot. Wala na nga pa electricity.
can it?
Hi,
What on earth do the
Clarice.
Fireflies want with you?
Traumatized now si Eloise.
Hey.
It's
Sorry
my
it took so
turn
long.
now.
It's all
Ako na
just
yung
fucking
mga
everywhere.
traumatize.
How's Marlene?
She'll make it. I saw the merchandise. It's a lot.
Thank you, Clarine,
this?
for following.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, maybe next time ka nabili GPU. Uy, patayin nyo to. Ano daw? 8 bottles of pills. Yada, yada, yada. Okay. Wala ba makukuha dito? Nothing. 8K? Grabe.
Think it's a bit strange that they're having us do their smuggling.
Marlene wanted to do
Although,
it herself.
sorry.
We weren't their first choice. Or the second for that
Baka
matter.
pwede na akong
She's lost a lot of men.
tatry ko
Beggars can't be
ulit,
choosers.
Let's just
tomorrow.
hope there's
Tatry ko
someone
yung
alive to pay
may
us.
face
Someone
cam.
will be around.
Ay, yung ano ko, layout ko talaga. Baka kasi sa Nvidia update lang yun. Charot. Hindi ko alam. Ibang tao, grabe. Ano to? Elevator. Ay, parang elevator siya. Oh. Ano, ako pa mag-push? Oh. Tayo nyo. Pucha. Ah. Ano gagawin ko daw? Ano daw sabi niya? Ang smooth ba? Kaya pala yung iba ganito lang sila mag-live. Super smooth. Uy, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. Malis ka dyan. Uy, hindi nila ako pinapadaan. Oh, hindi ko na. Ano ba yan? Anong gag... Ay, ito pala. Ano? Bobo.
Shit.
Ano daw?
Shit.
Hindi ko... Ano to?
Damn thing.
Okay.
Damn thing.
Thank you, guys.
Shit.
Oh, ang bobo ko naman dito. Wala rin, mag-rage quit na ako.
Damn thing.
Teka, ano? Okay.
Shit.
Ay, hindi mo siya turuan. Turuan mo ako, Joel. Hindi yung ikaw lang yung marunong. Malay ko ba dito?
Damn thing.
Uy, guys, ano to? This one.
Thing.
Na, nakakahiya na. Ayoko na. Sunod-sunod? Okay.
Shit.
Wala, ganun din eh.
Shit.
I-time ko na. Ita-time. Sorry.
Damn
Oh,
thing.
paano ita-time?
Damn thing.
Oh, hindi ko alam. Thank you, Jiro and Ken.
Who's waiting for us at the drop-off?
She said there's some fireflies that have traveled all the way from another
Delete
city.
yun sa memory.
Girl must be important. What is the deal with you?
Oh,
You
nag-comment
some
sila,
bigwig's
guys.
daughter or
Sorry.
something?
Thank you.
Something like that.
Wow, 2
How long is
minutes
this all
yata
gonna
ako
take?
nag-ganun.
If everything goes as planned, we should get you to
Parang
them
di
in
na
a few
nila
hours.
kinaya.
Ellie, once we get out there, I need you to follow our lead and stay close.
Yeah, of course.
Sa ulo mo pa. Grabe. Ay. Nabobo ako sa mga ganyan. Kaya yan. Okay. That's it. Yes, first playthrough ko to, Jiro. Yan na nga. Dito ba ako galing? Ay, hindi ako. Dito ba ako galing kanina? Ay, hindi.
Climb up and check if the coast is clear.
Okay. Kaya na ako. Grabe yung watch,
Hold
no?
up.
After
There's patrol
20
up
years.
ahead.
Nakasuot pa rin. Hi, Keshi.
Alright.
Ang atake natin
We're good. Come on up.
Minimalist. Nangyari?
Come
Ayun.
on, kid.
Eto, hindi na siya lag. We found the way.
Watch your step.
At ang way ay maging minimalist. Tapos sinundo na namin si Ellie. Si Ellie na sa akin na minimalist tayo.
This rain ain't gonna do us any good.
Mamaya ayusin yung gagawin kong white. Ano yung
I'm
aesthetic.
actually outside.
Para hindi naman nakakahiya.
Up this way.
Uy, tinry ko lang dito. Sumama kayo.
Don't do anything stupid.
Move.
Parang hindi nyo nakikita
Turn around,
yung
on your
ano,
knees.
yung gulat face ko. Magugulatin talaga.
Scan him,
ako.
I'll call it in.
By episode.
Put your hands on your head.
Parang 1 hour lang.
This is
Zero, thank you
Ramirez
for
at Sector 12,
following.
requesting pickup for 3 stragglers. Understood.
Look the other way. We can make this worth your while.
Shut up. Tired of this shit.
Oo, kasi curfew
What
na
DTA?
eh.
Couple minutes.
Si El. Ay, si El. Si El tuloy. Nasama pa nga si El. Grabe. Angas mo.
Fuck! I thought we were just
AJ
gonna
datingan eh.
hold him up or something.
Oh, shit. Look.
Positive?
Jesus Christ.
Who's positive?
Marlene set us up? Why the hell are we smuggling an infected girl?
Ellie is
I'm not
positive?
infected.
No? Just lying?
I can explain.
You better explain fast.
Rachel, hi.
Look at this.
I don't care how you got infected.
It's
Hala.
3 weeks old.
No, everyone turns within 2 days, so you stop bullshitting.
It's 3 weeks. I swear.
Hala.
Why would she set you up?
Infected siya, pero hindi siya
I
nag-turn.
ain't buying it. Tess, run. Run!
Go! Go! Move!
Go, 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 go. Okay.
Holy shit! I got 2 dead uniforms. I repeat, I got
Follow
2
me.
casualties.
Quickly.
in Sector 12. When can we get back?
All right, Ellie. When I give you the signal, we run.
Signal. Run. Got it.
Now, run.
Ay, wala. Wala, kita ako.
Stay away from those lights. sprint. You ready?
Sure. Yeah.
Lagi, kikita ako dyan. Teka lang. Hindi ko mabasa yung mga comments.
Soldiers, right there.
I see him. I see him.
They must have gotten through. Check the trenches.
Just stay back.
I don't see anything
Stay
down
back.
there. Are we sure they came this way?
Unless we're told otherwise, we just keep scanning.
Stay down. Don't let him see you.
Come on, kid. Follow Joel.
Follow me. I don't know where to go. How about here? Lagi. Hi, Ven. Sorry. Busy.
You see anything?
Clear back here. Have a look up ahead.
So far, so good.
How about here? Ito, may ganyan, oh. Pagka nagre-blink highlight pala, pwedeng kunin. Ano, kanina pa nag-start Ven, pero... Ano na, na-meet lang namin si Ellie, yung mga...
Gotta be the fucking firefighters out here. Done with them soon enough.
Kung saan ako pupunta naman kasi walang mapa. Diretso ko ba to? Diba? There's nothing there. To your
Hold
left,
up.
right,
Shh,
left.
stay there.
Go, go.
Fuck it. Let the clickers get them.
What are the clickers? What are the clickers? Take the risk. What are the clickers? What are those? The zombies? They call them clickers. Ano yung pang-spec? Paano ano? Hindi ko, kasi nag-start ako sa ano eh. Sa controller, tas ngayon naka-keyboard mouse na ako. Oh, kasama ko na si Ellie. I think it's... X. Okay, okay. Ito. Ha? Ba't ayaw? Ano? Diba? Isn't it X? Kasi, Xbox. Ito yung gamit ko nung nakaraan. Ito yun eh, oh. L3. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko maalala. Kapag may kalaban na. Okay, okay. Sige, thank you. Ayun.
We can get through here. Down there.
Kasi, ay, oo, ano yun?
Just start
Hala. Ako hindi nyo man lang narinig yung ano.
Come on up, Joel.
I'm coming.
Hindi nyo man lang saradong tindahan.
There's so many of them out here. How are we supposed to get past them?
Ain't spotted us yet. Let's go around.
Ano, para
It's too
makita
many,
mo kung
Tess.
ilan yung
Oh
kalaban.
man.
Hindi, no? Kaya yun. Tutorials na, wait lang. Hindi, okay. Ano yung parang makikita mo yung kalaban, yung parang magiging black and white. Parang sa, ano siya, parang sa Assassin's Creed. I-google ko na nga. Yung listen, oo, yun. The Last of Us 1. Listen. Ay, ano yun? Hold Q. Sige, try natin. Ay, oo. Stay. Thank you, CJ. Got it. Q pala.
Oh shit. They're in here with us.
See if you can distract him.
All right.
Uy, gagi ka. Hindi na ako makita. Ano ko i-distract? Patayin ko to. Patayin na kita. Magnanakaw ka, oh. O maloloko.
See more lights? Up there.
Damn it. Oh, God. Shit.
Patay. Sana hindi
It's
nila
good to have you
makita.
around.
Lagi bumaba siya. Kung bida-bida dyan ka lang.
Son of a bitch. Damn it. Shit.
Parang pang siya dun, ah. Say ko. Nasaan pa nga dun?
There's a body over here.
Gabo ka.
Spread out.
Ay, wala po akong silencer. May fix pa dyan pag galaw, eh. Oh, tama ba itong dinadaanan ko?
Tess, you got any?
Looks so different.
Parang wala pa akong ano, ganong wala pa. Parang usually shift yun, eh, no? Paano nga mag-flashlight? Wait lang. Flashlight, T. Wait, wait, ako. Bulutang. Ito pala.
Let's see where this leads.
Gagi, what if may...
Yeah, this looks right. Stay close.
At least we're out of the rain.
How's it look?
Think we can squeeze through
Ah,
here.
okay.
Charlie Squad, report.
Okay lang yan.
I got more soldiers.
Center.
Target's still on the loose, sir.
Break off pursuit and report back to Sector 11.
I don't think they see us.
Acknowledge. Get to your vehicle.
Stay in the shadows.
Uy, huwag na may jump scare bigla. I don't know which way to go. Is it that one? Ay, parang pabalik yan eh. This? Ay, hindi ito yan.
Are we safe?
No, they're still around. Look, take a moment to catch your breath.
Sige,
Joel,
tayo
see if
na
there's
muna
anything
kayo.
we can use in here.
Sure thing, boss.
Alt E. Ah, okay. Ay, nagano ako. Windows. Is Sabi ka. Ah, Luther. Hi, Jelsky. Kasi tinatawag mo akong Meiko. Chat. Hindi. Kasi naglalag pag may cam.
Tess, up through here through this pipe. I think we can make it through here.
Stay very close, Sally.
Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus.
Jesus
Gather up.
Christ.
Calling us back. We're returning to the wall.
Ayun na. Sige, return na kayo. Loko, Justy. Punta ka kay ano ba yung siniko? Sino si Patrick? Ah, yung si Gbin ba yun? Baho nila po, oo nga. Hindi na nga naligo. Naligo pa sa kanal.
What was the plan?
Ba yan?
Let's say that we deliver you to the Fireflies.
Beko
What
din
then?
patulpo.
Marlene, she said that they have their own little quarantine zone with doctors there still trying to find a cure.
Yeah, we've heard that before, huh, Tess?
Ah, baka naman yung generation ni Ellie. Cured na sila.
Whatever
Like,
happened to me is the key to finding a vaccine.
hindi na sila
Oh,
infected.
Jesus.
That's what she said.
Oh, I'm
Uy,
sure she
no
did.
spoilers ha.
Fuck you,
I'm
man. I
just
didn't
saying
ask
my
for
thing.
this.
Uy,
Me
grabe.
neither. Tess, what the
Grabe.
hell are we doing here?
What if it's
Oh,
true?
Joel. Oo, yan, sinapak ko na yung bata.
What if, Joel? I mean, we've come
Joke.
this far. Let's just finish it.
Do I need to remind you what is out there?
Pero ang cute niya.
I get it.
Yeah. Diba? Joke lang.
This way. If we cut through downtown, we can hit the Capitol building by sunrise.
We hope.
If uy, yung COVID niya, hindi pa maagap-agapan. Hanggang ngayon, meron pa rin. Hindi mo pinapansin. Okay, it's 10 p.m. That's it for me. I have to go. I need to sleep. Hey, Rex. Yes, it's The Last of Us. Yeah, I'll try to fix yung settings ko. Ganyan. Para maging aesthetic naman siya. Hala, oo nga, 50 followers na lang. Guys, please follow me so I can use OBS. I want to use OBS. Pag-aaralan ko talaga siya. Thank you guys. I don't know how I can shout out na lang. Maybe I can shout out dito sa top viewers. But sometimes, naka-on yung privacy nyo. So, hindi ko makikita na nanonood kayo. But, it's okay. Yung cordyceps emergency zone na. Ano yung cordyceps? Wala na talaga cam if you're gonna play. Oh yeah, it's okay. That's fine. Next time na lang yung cam. Thank you so much guys for watching and helping me with my settings today. Thank you guys, especially CJ, L, Raiju, Center, HV, Cheong. Thank you so much. And to everyone for watching right now, Ven, Jiro, uy, Carla, thank you. Chris, Patita, my Patita. Charot. Rod, V, Kuchi, PT, Kabob, Ellen, Kinalkal. Lee, Tristan, Magmalikot, Saint Ayoan, Darl, Jevi, Lena, William. Thank you guys. Yeah, I need to go. Wala nang ranking. So nga maybe I'll try. Baka carry naman ng Tikfinity. Baka try lang. Let's try tomorrow. Kung hindi mag-work, at least we tried. Charot. Thank you so much for 7.3k likes. I think yung kanina 6k likes. So, almost, siya, 7 plus 6, 13. Siguro mga 15k likes. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. And to everyone who followed me today, 50 na lang para mag 1k. Yay! Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye. Please join my Discord server for Story Rich Games. Thank you. Oyasumi. Bye-bye.